Brian here from quantlabs.net. Just wanted to let you know I've done some analysis on our first day in a while on the trading for the forex. It's momentum based. It's really only one pair. The difference here, what we're using is the long and short positions that I've shown yesterday. I've been doing it for probably a month. It definitely works. I think you can get rid of all the other technical analysis indicators out there. Just want to show you the results now. Remember, this is early days. I've seen this before where we do really well, as I'm going to show you, and it can settle down. But the clear difference here is that it is using long versus short position that I had a video on that is now part of my analytics service. So hang on here. All right, so what we're going to show you here is right off of the Linux system. That right there is a forex total. I don't worry about that, but what I do care about is this win-loss ratio. That's 94.74% with a total rate of change over 24-hour period is 4%. So that's pretty cool. Now, here's the difference. Let me just show you what we're dealing with here. So the kind of positions we're dealing with is only one, is 38 positions over a 24-hour period. This is real world market data, and there you go. It's 38 positions, okay? One pair only, because that's been trading, that was worthwhile with longs at around approximately 80% long, short 20%, and then we have here all the data. This is a spreadsheet my script will generate. Current close, entry close, rate of change percentage, and the total. This needs to be fixed, total short, total long. But that seems to work real nice. Now, if that's the case, I'm going to be testing it starting next week fully with this. Obviously, the market's pretty well closed on a long weekend holiday here for both Canada Day and July 4th for the States. The market should be kind of normal Monday, my time on Saturday, and then moving into next week. But it'll be light trading for sure because both the US and the Canadian markets. But I don't know about the Asian or European markets. But either way, it'll be live data. And if you look at the charts for that pair, the euro against the Australian dollar, you'll see a nice steady upward move. So that's looking pretty good. It's valid data. And again, it's just using total longs versus shorts, and it's been holding quite well. Next week, I'm going to also start trading the mean reversion pair trading, which is usually just one pair, but you have to co-integrate at the right time. So I'll include this in my video or my Quant Analytics tutorial section, but if you need to know the name of that file that will be posted, will be called P&L FX XLS. There's another one as well. Okay, so that's pretty well it. Citing times, if it holds for the next week, I'll definitely start live trading it if it's as good. Like a 4% return in a 24-hour period with no leverage, fuck, that's really good. And then if it continues, you can definitely add that leverage times 10, times 20 if that continues, and it's almost a guaranteed way to make some cash. Because I got one guy confirmed with me, maybe a month, 2 months ago. He was trading the British pound in light for the Brexit. He made over $250,000 in a very short amount of time. I was just blown away on what you can do with these kind of returns if it holds. But for whatever reason, I'll take the euro against the Australian any day. Okay, if it's like this. We shall talk to you soon. Have a good day. Later.